Hi, I'm that James guy, and right now I'm going to review this 2-pack of COB work lights that I just bought at Canadian Tire. As normal, the first thing you're going to need is a pair of real nice scissors. I'm messing around with these packages. 2-pack COB work lights. These things are 200 lumens. 1300 milliamp hour batteries. Get these open, pull one out. I have not charged this yet. How does this work? Oh, look at that. Swivels out. So it has a stand. Let's just cut more things. Ooh, there's a magnet. Do you see the magnet on the end? That looks wonderful. This is where you charge it. So you charge it with a micro USB. It's got a little clippy thing here. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. So if I were to, like, let's say for example, I want to put it here and have it shining at me. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's a 2-pack. So this was normally 60 bucks, 70 bucks, 60 bucks. No, 70 bucks at Canadian Tire. And you know the rule at Canadian Tire is, right? If it's not on sale, wait 10 minutes and then it will be on sale. So this is 24 bucks on sale for 2 of these things. I just think I got myself a steal of a deal. Oh, there's a light on the end. So you got the main light, and then you got some useless light that does you no good. Why would they do that? Doesn't matter. This is what I'm after. That way, when I'm doing things, shining will win every time. Can you imagine with the other one going? Oh, let's try it, guys. We need to take the other one out and try it as well at the same time, just to make sure that it shines twice as bright. If it doesn't shine twice as bright with 2 of them, either I'm bad at math or they're defective. Oh, that's pretty good. 2 of these things hanging from something on top of the hood, down on things. Oh man, better check to see what else it comes with. It must come with other things, like charging things. Pull those out of the bag. Oh, look at that. 2 chargers. So it's just micro USB, USB port. Plug those 2 in. Bob's your uncle. I'm going to go do that now. You will see these again, for sure. So that was the quick review of the 2-pack of COB work lights from Canadian Tire, Motomaster brand. I'll see you next time.